click the bell icon and never miss another update from Bollywood Spy.
हाय फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज़ रवि कुमार। आज हमारे साथ बॉलीवुड की सबसे खूबसूरत एक्ट्रेसेस में से एक सना खान है, जिनकी आंखें ही नहीं बल्कि उनके एक्सप्रेशन भी बोलते हैं। सना, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका इस कन्वर्सेशन में।
थैंक यू।
सना, आप इस वक्त हर तरफ चर्चाओं में है। एक फिल्म आ रही है जो कि एक रेवोल्यूशनरी फिल्म मानी जा रही है हमारे कंट्री में, टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा, एंड यू आर द पार्ट ऑफ द मूवी। सो हाउ आर यू फीलिंग राइट नाउ?
Well, Jeff, I'll hold this for you. Acha. Well, I'm feeling great, and as I mentioned before, I'm a very small part of this amazing film, which has such a great concept and something that I always look up to, and I always feel that Swachh Bharat should always be everybody's priority, irrespective of any government. It shouldn't be ओके ये है तो अब इन्होंने बोला तो आई थिंक एक क्लीनलीनेस अवेयरनेस जो है वो आपस में हम सबके अंदर होनी चाहिए, बिकॉज जब हम ट्रैवल करते हैं, हम अब्रॉड जाते हैं, वी से ओ माय गॉड द कंट्री इज सो क्लीन, तो वो कंट्री क्लीन गवर्नमेंट की वजह से नहीं होती है, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द सिटीजन स्टेइंग देयर। सो आई थिंक यही चीज़ हमें भी इंडिया में लाने की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, वेयर पीपल हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ द सिटी, पीपल हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ दिस कंट्री, एंड दैट्स व्हेन एनी इनिशिएटिव यू टेक इट वर्क्स।
सना, आई केम टू नो दैट जो फिल्म की जो स्क्रिप्ट है पिछले 4 या 5 सालों से पूरी इंडस्ट्री में रूम कर रही थी कि कोई स्क्रिप्ट को कोई ले नहीं रहा था, और जब अक्षय कुमार ने लिया तो ऑब्वियसली हर तरफ लोगों में अवेयरनेस जाग गई। मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, जब आपको लगा, आपने जब अपने सराउंडिंग्स में अपने फैमिली मेम्बर या फिर फ्रेंड्स को बताया कि आई एम डूइंग टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा, तो उनका फर्स्ट रिएक्शन क्या था?
Obviously, they were happy. We all love Akshay. We've been seeing his films from, at least I've been seeing from my childhood, and we all are his fans. बहुत I think कोई होगा नहीं जो उनके फ़ैन नहीं होंगे, चाहे आप उनका कॉमेडी ले लो, चाहे आप उनके एक्शन ले लो. He somewhere inspires people in terms of fitness, like so many things. And lately he's been doing so many films with such different concepts. And as an actor, I think हर actor को एक ही चीज़ की greed होती है, that is to keep doing different work, to keep portraying yourself in different light, where people get an opportunity to see the versatility in you as a actor. As a person you might look the same, you might talk the same obviously, but जब एक अलग character के अंदर जाना होता है, so I think that's very interesting. And when I got a call for this, I was really very happy because my Wajah just released a month before in Jan, and I got a call for this in Feb, and I was like, I'm so happy for the first very reason is that they thought something different for me, which is very difficult because the film was just out, and with all the halla gulla it had around it, I think I was very surprised when they called me and they said it's a look of a very village looking girl, and that's the character of the girl. So I was like, wow, even if it's a special appearance, I want to do it. The reason is the concept first, not my look or anything, the concept, because I strongly believe in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, which is an amazing initiative, and I think it has been there for so many years, but I'm glad that फिलहाल वो बहुत बड़े स्केल पे प्रमोट किया जा रहा है, and there are people who are also supporting. So I think as an actor, अगर आपको ऐसे कॉन्सेप्ट को सपोर्ट करने का मौका मिलता है, because your fans want to do what you do, your fans like you, they somewhere feel that whatever you're doing as their favorite actor, you inspire them. So I think I thought, why not, to be a part of a film like this and do something which I strongly believe as a person. हम बहुत सारी फिल्में करते हैं एक्टर्स, और बहुत सारी फिल्मों में जब फिल्म ख़त्म होती है और जब हम इंटरव्यूज़ के लिए जाते हैं, तो आई थिंक द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट एन इंटरव्यूअर आस्क्स यू इज़ ये कैरेक्टर से आप कितना रिलेट करती हो. एंड द पॉइंट इज़ व्हेन यू डूइंग अ फिल्म, इट्स एन इमेजिनरी थिंग. एंड जब मैं वजह करी थी, एंड लोगों ने बोला आप इनसे कितना रिलेट करते हो, मैंने कहा मैं शायद कुछ % इनसे रिलेट करती हूँ, बट आई डोंट रिलेट टू दिस गर्ल सिया 100%, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट अ लॉयर. आई डोंट नो हाउ इट इज़ टू फाइट अ केस विच इज़ सो बिग, विच इज़ अ स्कैम, विच इज़ अबाउट हैकिंग अ सैटेलाइट. सो आई डोंट रिलेट टू her, but I have to push myself forward to relate to that character. But when I did this film, this is something that I believe in. I believe in this act, I believe in this cause, and that is something that I wanted to do as an actor. Certain films you do because you want to do, there are certain films you do because that is what you are. So I think it was a great thing to be a part of a subject where you believe in that part, you live that part otherwise also.
Any best part working with Akshay Kumar from the sets you want to share with us?
I had a very short period of working with him, but in that I think he really made me feel very very comfortable. I think that's the first sign of a great actor. And that ways I also like Shah Rukh a lot, because he really makes you very comfortable. As like when I did an ad film with him, and मुझे लगा ही नहीं कि मैं एक normal लड़की हूँ. The way he treated, and I think that is what makes you like that actor more. एंड मैं हमेशा कहती थी कि जब मैं एक नॉर्मल लड़की थी तो मेरे फेवरेट एक्टर्स कुछ और थे, बट जब आप खुद एक एक्टर बन जाते हो तो आपके वो प्रायोरिटीज़ चेंज हो जाते हैं. व्हेन यू मीट देम, व्हेन यू सी देम एंड यू सी के ओके दिस वाज ओनली फॉर द फिल्म, देन देयर आर सर्टेन एक्टर्स यू मीट लाइक नो दे आर दिस फॉर रियल ऑल्सो. सो आई थिंक दैट इज समवेयर व्हाट अक्षय इज. यू नो, ही इज़ वेरी स्वीट, वेरी हम्बल, he talks to you very nicely, he makes you feel comfortable, he adds the character for you in the film. You know, I still remember मैं full सलवार सूट पहन के सेट पे गई थी, एंड देन सडनली अक्षय थॉट आई शुड वेयर अ नोज रिंग, एंड पूरा यूनिट नोज रिंग ढूंढने लग गया. लकीली वी फाउंड अ गुड वन. आई वाज लाइक ओ शिट, प्लीज़ कुछ अच्छा मिल जाए. And the moment I wore that, I understood that it added so much more character to the character. And I was like, boss, aise hi, he's not surviving for 25 years. That's when you know, you think, ke, acha. And with such actors, you just become more and more. When you work with different, like even when I worked with Salman, he's a very spontaneous actor. You don't know what is he going to do next. So you have to be alert. And that's what is with Akshay also. In that scene, we had a little comedy, and which we had a little normal thing. So जब वो कॉमेडी करते, every single take he adds new things. So as an actor you have to be so attentive कि what is he going to add now, and suddenly he'll start doing you know, he'll move his hand, he'll hold your hand, so you are like अच्छा. And it's a very short, see, you need that time. If he was my friend, if I've done a lot of film, if I've done a whole film, you are a little more relaxed. But जब आप, you know, you go for a cameo, you feel okay, I don't know, should I touch him here, should I touch, you know, you are little hesitant even as an actor, even though if it's very professional, still you feel कि, you know, I don't know what to do. So I think that was there, but he's really very nice. He'll explain you. I rehearsed my scene in his van with the whole team of the film, which was the director, the writer, to see that the slang is right. So I think that was amazing.
So finally you did the film, and you know, the film is creating humongous buzz, and making a lot of awareness regarding sanitation and open defecation के जो problems हो रहे हैं. So according to you, what do you think, how the movie is important for our society, for the change of society, according to you?
This movie is very very important, because I would like to mention one thing where people say कि you know, this is not what India is. Definitely this is not what India is. This is right, what they're showing in the film, that is certain part of India. That's not what India is, and we do not represent India that way. Is that इंडिया में लोग के घर में टॉयलेट नहीं है. इंडिया इज़ नॉट दैट. वी ऑल हैव गुड टॉयलेट्स. इट्स ओनली सर्टन एरियाज, स्पेशली द रूरल एरियाज, वेयर पीपल नीड टू बी एजुकेटेड, बिकॉज आई थिंक दे लैक little education, and they lack that such things are important. They don't know what is sanitation, they don't know what is hygiene. So you know, somewhere those are the little parts which are targeted in the film, I guess, you know, because ऐसे तो अगर आप सिटी में आओ तो I'm sure अब सबके पास टॉयलेट है, हम कोई बाहर तो जाते नहीं हैं. So that ways we are all blessed to be here, and you know, to be among those who understand how important it is to have a toilet at home. But आज भी when I go to remote areas, and you know, when you travel, you do a road trip, you see that oh my god, they don't even have a toilet at home. So I think that's really something which bothers me, and I feel that, you know, forget men, women have to go out, and it's very dangerous. And उस चीज़ से बहुत सारी चीज़ें आती है, which is definitely you catch so many multiple diseases because of that. People are kidnapped, people also get raped, unfortunately, especially in the small areas, because वो लोग टॉयलेट के लिए इतना दूर जाते हैं that you don't know. So I think for that you really need to, you know, see that certain things are developed. And मैंने बीच में भी बहुत देखा था, I think if I'm not wrong, Neeta Ambani ji, she used to promote toilet a lot, and like to have toilets at home. I used to see those ads where she used to go in all the rural areas and promote education and toilets. So I think India has so many big entrepreneurs, so many big business people, businessmen, and I think when they come that and help, not just an actor, and not just government, but if God has blessed you with good money, I think you should go and help people and spread that awareness.
So सर, आप फिल्म तो आप कर रही है, लेकिन इससे पहले हमने आपको देखा बिग बॉस में, फिल्म भी आ रही है, अब साउथ भी आप कर रही है, तो अब कितना बदलाव आप देखती है, यू नो, एज एन एक्ट्रेस, एज अ पर्सनैलिटी, हर चीज़ में आप कितना बदल चुकी है, सना खान कितना बदल चुकी है?
वेल, बदलना आप इस तरीके से कह सकते हैं कि यू कीप गेटिंग बेटर. in terms of you understand जब आप एक कैमरा के सामने आते हो you understand okay you have to start with minor little things that's like okay maybe I need to lose little weight, maybe my face needs to get more sculpted so I need to do more of cardio, I have to take care of my skin, maybe I have open pores. ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें especially girls के लिए जो बहुत noticeable होती है and it matters a lot because they have to look pretty irrespective, because if you're doing a commercial film the first thing that comes is how good you look, and then of course everything follows with it. So it's a very important factor in Bollywood for an actress to just look flawless and look nice. So I think that is one thing which through every film I've improved, to know at least how I look my best, what are my best angles. Then obviously when you do different kind of films which has समथिंग मोर वेयर आपको एक कैरेक्टर में बहुत ज़्यादा जाना है, स्पेशली जब मैं साउथ करती थी हर फिल्म में एक डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर होता था एंड प्लस आई हैड टू टॉक अ लैंग्वेज विच आई डिडंट नो. सो आई थिंक उसमें भी बहुत परेशानी होती है टू गेट इनटू द कैरेक्टर, कम आउट ऑफ इट. एक ब्रेक हो जाता है, फिर आप जब बहुत लंबे ब्रेक के बाद जाते हो आप भूल ही जाते हो वो कैरेक्टर था क्या. सो आई थिंक all that is there. So of course with every film you learn, you get better, you understand industry better, you understand your work better, because वो कहते हैं ना practice makes a man perfect. So you know you head towards perfection every time as an actor.
Which industry is better according to you? South movies की industry या फिर Bollywood?
See, I love movie, I love acting, I love to portray different characters, I love to emote different emotions through various characters that's given to me. So definitely there is no comparison. I started my career from South, so it will always be my favorite because they were the ones who actually launched me as an actress, and I think in life the least you can do is be grateful to people who've been with you. So I think for that South will always be my priority, and that is the industry which actually made me camera friendly, which made me more confident as an actor that I can act, I can do different kind of roles. So I think I did 12 films before I came and I started in Bollywood with Jai Ho or whatever you call it. So it really helps. So yeah, but say you're an actor, you like every kind of film, no matter what language, no matter which part you're working, no matter which sector, which audience you're serving, but you have to serve your best.
Yeah. Not only in movies but also in red carpet. You always dazzle whenever you are there on the red carpet. Recently we have seen you were hugging with Salman Khan और उन्होंने हाथ को कुछ इस तरह किया था. तो ये क्या था और उनसे बात भी हुई थी आपकी?
Yeah, of course. I actually we met after really long, and when I saw him, obviously he's seen me in my chubby days, so he had a question mark whether it's me or no. But then of course he was surprised and he praised me also, which was very sweet of him. I think जब कोई जिस एक्टर को, जिस इंसान को, when you look up to them and when they appreciate your hard work as an actor, you just feel motivated and you want to do better. जब आप फिल्म भी करते हो, जब आपका डायरेक्टर बोलता है very good shot, so you want to give a better shot next time. So I think that is what happens, and obviously I don't know a hug could actually trend, which is like really weird, but I think that's a very good sign from a gentleman that he is, that that's how he hugs also. I've seen him otherwise also hugging like that, but I don't know why was my issue such a big issue. So yeah, but I think that's a sweet thing. Yeah, if you wear a backless and if your actor is having a fist to see that you're respected when you're coming. जब आप मीडिया में आते हो, मीडिया बात का बतंगड़ बनाने में वैसे भी unfortunately they are very good at it. So कभी कभी they don't understand that certain things can hurt people. So people are also sensitive even if they are actors. So I think keeping all that in mind, probably he did that, and then you see that even that had a weird reaction. But I hope everybody does the same.
Back to back, the picture is going viral, and a lot of articles are coming around. So any reaction would you like to share?
No, yeah. It doesn't feel anything. They're just saying that he's a gentleman. So why would I feel bad about it? I'm like, okay, of course he's a gentleman. Matlab, what you all got to know today. So, and that way is also very good, and I feel even if he would have opened his arms and hugged anybody, me or anybody else, it doesn't make him any less gentleman. So we need to stop judging things and body languages and everything and start jumping into conclusions which we even we ourselves don't know. That's the worst that we can all do. Anyone, whether it's journalists or whether it's actors, I think everybody has to be careful what they talk, because अगर आपके अंदर वो power है to create an impact when you talk or when you show certain body gestures, I think you have to be very careful.
And recently, सलमान खान अभी शूटिंग भी कर रहे हैं. अभी एक प्रोमो शूट भी चल रहा है बिग बॉस को लेकर, यानी बिग बॉस अब धीरे धीरे अब आना शुरू हो रहा है. सो आर यू प्लानिंग something for Big Boss right now?
I am not planning anything. If they are planning to have me, then I'll get to know soon.
any reality show you want to be a part of in next future?
I honestly don't want to be part of any reality shows. It's such a headache and so much of pressure. And Big Boss was a little easy for me to be really honest, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगा था तब मेरा कुछ I was an unknown personality. People didn't know me. तो मुझे सिर्फ जाके मैंने निकल गए तो निकल गए, रह गए तो रह गए. But I think leaving that, खतरों के खिलाड़ी was very tough for me. And I am someone who cannot have a competition. मुझे वो काउंटडाउन शुरू होता है तो मुझे I start palpitating. So तो मुझे बहुत डर लगता है. So I can't, like, I do get calls for a lot of reality shows that's happening, like so many dance reality shows and everything, but I'm just too scared. So yeah.
And any upcoming projects?
Well, as of now, this is the only thing that I have in platter, and I really hope that I get something like this, because for me it's very important that whatever work I do, I enjoy doing it, and later I enjoy talking about it. So if I don't enjoy talking about the project, I don't want to be a part of it. And I'm not someone just because I have to work, or it's been 8 months, 10 months, a year. Like, it took me 2 years to do Wajah Tum Ho after Jai Ho, and projects keep coming and going. I wouldn't say that बहुत सारे projects आते हैं, people are like, all the producers are queuing up outside my house, but then whatever it comes, somewhere you are like, I don't know if I want to be, and like अगर आप last तक आप confused रहते हो उस project को लेके, so it's better not to do. So for me, it's something that anything that touches my heart, and I feel that small contribution or a bigger contribution I can give, I will be a part of it.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच सना हमसे बात करने के लिए, बॉलीवुड स्पाई से बात करने के लिए. अब क्योंकि एक बहुत ही अच्छी इनिशिएटिव में फिल्म में आप काम कर रही हैं जिसका नाम है टॉयलेट, एक प्रेम कथा, मैं चाहूँगा कि आप हमारे फैंस को, हमारे जितने भी दर्शक हैं, उनको बताएं कि ये फिल्म कितनी इम्पॉर्टेंट है हमारी कंट्री के लिए. योर ओपिनियन.
Well, मैं सारे व्यूवर्स को यही कहना चाहूँगी. आई थिंक लकीली व्यूवर्स आर वेरी एजुकेटेड टुडे, एंड दे अंडरस्टैंड, दे हैव अ सेंसिबिलिटी ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग थिंग्स एंड रीडिंग बिटवीन द लाइन्स टुडे. अब जो हमारे व्यूवर्स हैं, आप उनको कोई भी स्टोरी बना के दे दो, वो बिल्कुल वैसे नहीं रहे कि जो आप सर्व करोगे वो ले लेंगे. दे थिंक, दे एनालाइज, दे थिंक वेदर इट्स राइट और नो. सो दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट द व्यूवर्स टुडे, एंड आई रियली थैंक पीपल फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट. एंड टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा इज़ अ फिल्म अबाउट दिस country. It's a film where we are asking people to help people who need help in terms of sanitization. So please go and watch it and try to promote cleanliness and having toilets as much as you can. And if there's anyone who's capable of helping people build toilets in remote areas, in rural areas especially, please be that good citizen and help them.
सो गाइस, ये थी हमारे साथ सना खान जो आ रही हैं टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा के साथ आप सभी के बीच. वैसे इस फिल्म को लेकर आपकी क्या राय है, बताएं हमारे अपने कमेंट सेक्शन पर, और जो भी आपकी राय है हमारे फेसबुक और ट्विटर पर भी आप शेयर कर सकते हैं. दिस इज रवि कुमार साइनिंग ऑफ विद कैमरामैन विशाल.